Welcome to the 2023 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss in sterling gray metallic. This truck is powered by a 2.7-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, bolted up to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look inside the Colorado, starting off on your left-hand side, we have the controls for your power adjustable mirrors, integrated trailer braking, full digital gauge cluster, 11.3-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and navigation, push-to-start ignition, climate control in the center dash, 4-wheel drive selector, electronic parking brake, and the shifter are all in the center console. Taking a look at the exterior of the Colorado, starting off with the 18-inch high-gloss black aluminum wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, we have Colorado badging on the doors, blacked out mirrors. Around the front of the vehicle, blacked out bow tie in the center of the grille, Trail Boss badge in the grille as well. Back down the side of the vehicle, this truck is remote start equipped. Rear tinted privacy windows with black trim all around. Trail Boss lettering on both sides of the bed. Around the back of the vehicle, we have side steps built into either side of the bumper, towing package is installed, Colorado badge on the tailgate, and single exit exhaust. Heading back inside the Colorado, back seats here come in a 60-40 split and can be locked in the upward position, controlled by this lever right here. Seats are also car seat ready, and at the back here, we have a rear sliding window. Thank you for watching this brief walkthrough on the 2023 Chevrolet Colorado Trail Boss. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.